Good morning. What time do you open at?
11.
11 o'clock?
Yeah.
I'm just
Soon.
walking by. I'm really hungry.
Nothing is ready. It's almost there, but not yet.
I have class in like 30 minutes. And I was just seeing if I could
What you wanted?
anything. Can I get anything?
All right, come.
But I don't have my wallet on me right now.
Okay, come back and pay.
Are you sure?
Yeah. A large joint chicken I'm gonna give you.
Are you sure?
Positive. Don't worry. 100%.
How many years have you been here for?
Almost 10. 9.
And what's your favorite part of owning your own restaurant?
Peace of mind. I used to work at the Windsor Raceway.
Okay.
And I used to so stress because I was the only black girl in my department and they treat me so rough, but I wanted was to learn. And I spent almost 10 years there, right? And I told them every time there's a problem, I say, one day I'm gonna own my restaurant. So that's why I treat people real good, because I remember I was in a bad position at work one time when I was lonely. I had to sit in my car and eat.
Do you believe in paying it forward, karma?
Yeah, I believe in that. They called me yesterday and told me that there's a guy in here was